2019 Ford F-150. With less than 77,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Experience the difference with these exceptional built-in comfort and convenience features. 4-wheel drive, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, brake assist, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, auxiliary input, aluminum wheels, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.